Word on the street is that Lasco Distributors and Lasco Manufacturing are considering merging to become one company. But how would this affect their stock market performance? I'm Kalila Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money News Made Simple. So the Lasco group of companies includes Lasco Manufacturing, Lasco Distributors, and also Lasco Financial Services. The late businessman Lascelles Chin founded LASD in the late 80s and LASM in the early 90s. They've always been separate entities. LASM produces favorites like Lasco Food Drink and Lasco Jack Mackerel, while LASD distributes all of LASM's products and other healthcare and hygiene brands. Now, according to executive chairman of both LASM and LASD, James Rawle, the companies have been considering a merger even before the pandemic.
It's something we have talked about. We have been talking about for some time. It's something that the board is considering to do some sort of formation where it becomes one company, and that is being discussed as we speak.
That was Rawle speaking at a virtual investor briefing hosted by Mayberry Investments. He said the plan kind of went on the back burner as the companies were figuring out what things would look like once their junior market tax incentive expired. LASM and LASD both listed on the junior market in 2010, so their 10-year tax break ended in 2020. Rawle said the next hurdle was moving the companies to the main market, which they did earlier this year. So now they can focus on deciding whether or not a merger is a good idea. Rawle said over the last 5 years, the companies were able to massively improve their financial performance by investing in innovation and increasing efficiency. According to their financial report for the year ending March 31, LASM recorded a 7% increase in revenue to $12 billion, and net profit also rose by 14% to $2.3 billion. Meanwhile, LASD brought in $29 billion in revenue, up 10% from the previous year, and $1.5 billion in net profits. So, really solid performances from both companies. Now, the idea behind a merger is that a combined company could possibly perform even better because you'd increase efficiencies and decrease some costs. But as Rawle said, the board is still considering it, and they want to be as strategic as possible because they're rolling with the big boys now over on the main market, and they're accountable to shareholders for every decision that they make. And that's the bottom line. So, do you think Lasco Manufacturing and Lasco Distributors should merge? Let me know in the comments. Take my Investing for Beginners course to learn how to invest in the Lasco companies. Click the link up here or in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.